welcome to Shimi's Dastarkhaan. Today I will be sharing my apple cake recipe. This cake is very easy, soft and moist. It has exact amount of sweetness and it's perfectly spiced loaded with tons of apples. So next time if there is apple lying on your kitchen counter, do try this out. And if you enjoyed watching my video, do hit the like button, do share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I post my next video. So let's get started. I'll start with the ingredients for apple cake. Here I took 1.5 cup of sugar, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, that's the Maida, 3 eggs, they are at room temperature, 1 cup of oil, half cup of chopped nuts in which I took cashews, almonds and raisin, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 4 apples. So I'll start with breaking 3 eggs. To the eggs, I'll add the sugar. Now we'll beat them together. You can use a whisk, but here I'll use the hand blender. This makes the process faster. We have to mix till all the sugar is completely dissolved, and it will take approx 3 to 4 minutes. So after 4 minutes, it's reached a smooth consistency and sugar is completely dissolved. Now here goes the oil. Mix it again in a medium speed. Now I'll add the Maida, that's the all-purpose flour, little by little, and then fold it into our batter. Everything needs to be combined well. If you are looking for a very simple cake, do make this. I'll add again. I have sieved the Maida. Before, you can just add it like that also. Sieving the dry ingredients into the cake batter. Avoid any lumps. Now I'll add the remaining Maida. Combine it again. Followed by I'll add the sugar. Oh, sorry, here's the salt and the baking soda. Mix it again. Now here goes the cinnamon. Mix it again. Out of 4, 3 of the apples I have chopped it. Now here it goes into the batter. Fold it all. I'll add the nuts and little bit I'll leave it for the garnish. I've prepared the baking tray by applying little bit of unsalted butter and dusting it with all-purpose flour. Now to that I'll pour the batter. Lots of chunky apples, which adds the flavor. Level it out. I'll top it with remaining nuts. And then we can decorate it with sliced apples any way you want it. Now this goes into a preheated oven for about 1 hour at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 centigrade. Check with the help of a toothpick or a wooden square by pricking at the center, and if it comes out clean, that means it is completely cooked. In total it took about 1 hour 10 minutes. Now I will let it cool down. Friends, moist and delicious apple cake is ready with a perfect amount of sweetness and spice with chunks of apple and nuts. So perfect warm dessert recipe is here. Give it a try, and if you enjoyed watching my video, please hit the like button, do share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I post my next video. So till then, bye.